Here's a quick tip for blowing the shofar. Once you find the right location on your lips for blowing a clean, clear, strong note, don't move the tip of the shofar around on your lips because you won't find that exact spot again.
The four notes of the shofar are Tekiah, Shvarim, Trua, and Tekiah Gedolah. Over the course of the Rosh Hashanah service, the shofar is sounded 100 times, this year on the second day because of Shabbat. The Tekiah blast is one long note that acts as a kind of summons. Others have suggested that it sounds like a king's coronation or the sound as someone enters the palace hall. On Rosh Hashanah, we are traditionally called to reaffirm God's sovereignty. The word Shvarim literally means breaks or fractures. The Shvarim blast is 3 medium-length notes that have been compared to the sound of weeping. The Trua blast is a series of 9 very short staccato notes that have been compared to an urgent alarm calling us to wake up from our spiritual sleep and calling us to action. The 3 blasts are sounded in various combinations during the shofar service on Rosh Hashanah. They are traditionally concluded with one long Tekiah Gedolah, great Tekiah, which is similar to but much longer than the standard Tekiah. The notes of the shofar try to awaken us in the feeling of connectedness and alertness for the time ahead, calling us to take action, to move forward, and to come together.